Welcome back to the June block of the month. This month is India, and here's the picture that I'm working from. It's a lotus flower, and I have already numbered the picture, traced it out onto Heat and Bond light, and attached my pieces of Heat and Bond to fabric. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lay everything out. We're going to peel the paper off the back of our Heat and Bond, and we're going to put it down here on our block. Okay, I've got everything laid out where I want it. Pull the base down just a hair. And then we're going to just apply some heat. And now that we've got everything ironed down, I'm going to go over to the sewing machine. And I'm going to go around all of my little outside edges. I'm going to start at the back pieces, and I'm going to end on this front piece here. So we're going to start right down here on the base, and I'm just going to sew around that base. Make sure that my needle down is in position. And I'm not doing a super dense sewing on this, so I'm not really worried about making sure that I have stabilizer under here. Notice if I'm turning, I want my needle on the outside of that. If I'm doing an inside curve, I would want it on the inside. All right. My scissors went missing. Now we're going to do the little gold pieces up here at the top. I'm not back stitching on any of this. Because these are going to get covered up whenever I go to the next piece anyway. And this is called a jump stitch. I don't really need to cut thread and come back because I will cut all those threads when I'm done. Stop on the outside, turn, and then go on down through there. Now that one I will cut. I'm going to do the white one. The whole reason for these videos is so that you can see that applique is not scary. It's easy, mama. And that's a variegated thread that I have in there. So it's going to give me different colors as I come around to it. Start at the bottom of the white this time. The polka dots came off of my ironing mat. I'm pretty sure that they will wash out. If they don't, I'll just consider them a neat little feature. And I'll be retiring the ironing mat today, obviously. And you can see I'm working from the back of my applique to the front. So we're going to do the blue one next. Give myself a little bit more of a tail there. You could use any stitch you like for this, any of your decorative stitches that are on your machine. Applique is a great, pardon me, applique is a great place to use those pretty stitches that you don't ever use in anything else. And you may notice that I'm running the inside edge of my presser foot along the edge of my item that I'm sewing down. And because I'm right at the bottom of this last piece, I'm just going to keep sewing and go right on around this one. I just, pardon my voice today, I just did 2 back stitches there at the very end. And there is our Lotus block all done. I'm going to stitch India on here, but my embroidery machine is still down, still from last month. I haven't had a chance to sit down and give it a good cleaning and check everything out. But as soon as I get that done, I will put up at least a short video telling you guys or showing you guys the embroidery for the country names. But that's my Lotus block for this month. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out Colleen at Colleen Sews and Chats and Sylvia at You and Me FPP and see what they came up with this month for India. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.